Congratulations! You've now made it to a level within your organization that you've just been awarded RSUs. And you're wondering, what exactly are RSUs? Well, we're here to tell you. RSUs stand for Restricted Stock Units. They are an incredible employee benefit. Think of them almost like an extra bonus based on your performance. You are issued essentially phantom shares in your company stock, and these phantom shares will have a vesting period. The vesting period is usually 3 to 4 years, and the vesting can either occur equally over that time period or what's called cliff vesting, which means if it's a 3-year cliff vest, you have to be working for your employer at the end of that 3rd year to receive all the shares at that time. If it's an equally vesting period, as long as you're working for your employer after the 1st year, you would receive 1/3 of it, the shares you're awarded. The 2nd year, you receive another 1/3, and then you receive the last 1/3 on the 3rd year of the vesting period. Once your shares vest, they will take the number of shares that vest and multiply it by your employer's stock price at that point. That gross amount runs through payroll and it's taxed to you just like your wages and salaries. And you can decide, do you want to take that net amount after taxes and have it paid to you in cash? Or would you prefer to actually own company, keep the company shares that you've been awarded? So if you have 300 shares, for example, that were awarded to you and are vesting, and you're in a 33% tax bracket and you'd like to keep the shares of the company, they would withhold the taxes and they would give you a net 200 shares of your company stock and deposit it directly into a brokerage account for you to do with what you want going forward. Now, please keep in mind, if you were to leave your company, most unvested RSU shares are forfeited. If you were to retire and have some outstanding RSUs, it's going to depend on how your company's RSU agreement is stated, because some companies will still honor those unvested RSUs and you'll receive them in the future even though you're retired, and others will say any unvested RSUs are forfeited. So hopefully this information has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.